I like taking a picture of the house.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm gonna record.
Oh my god, I keep doing Ryan's birthday picture. No.
Oh, it's recording. Oh man. It's late.
It's late.
Yes, proof.
Take pictures of what?
Huh?
I'm just gonna record. Ooh, soft hair. I'm gonna sleep in your butt. Hey, that's my pillow. Bitch, yeah, my pillow.
You did pillow his butt. It's like a cushion.
I know, huh? But I'm in a fart. That's something you would do.
What?
I'm bored. It's like 6 a.m.
Yeah, it's gotta be 7.
They didn't pass out.
Oh, his ass is hard.
Who? Ryan's?
Yeah.
Well, his stomach is squishy, but his ass is hard.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, yeah.
There.
3 times.
There. Chill out, dude.
I want a pillow. Ow.
Shoot.
Oh.
Lay down. Come here. Ass in my face. Not what's up right now. Hey, scoot over.
Your ass is in my face.
Your face is on my ass. Scoot over. Scoot that.
I can't. Stephanie, sit over. There.
Where's your gum wrapper?
Oh, Shivani threw it at you.
I missed. It's not cool. What are you doing?
Looking out the window.
See, now you can sit by Ryan's ass.
No.
It's squishy.
Come here.
Mm-hmm.
Where's everyone right?
I'm recording.
Go there. Not cool.
I'm gonna post it on my face. No, lay your butt flat.
Oh my god.
Your butt is squishy. His is all hard.